Great Wolf Lodge in Scottsdale, Arizona. Come on in, welcome. How's it going? Immediately to your left when you come in the door, there is a mudroom style area with cabinets, hangers, and a bench. Right across the hall to the right, you'll see the bathroom. There's a hairdryer, enough towels for 6, standard accommodations, I would say, for a hotel room, bath, shower combo, toilet, going out of the bathroom, coming back into the room. Immediately to the left as you proceed is a mirror with single sink, some soaps, swinging back into the room. Continuing on the left hand side, you see coffee maker, ice provider or container, a larger mini fridge. It's still a mini fridge, but it is larger. There are shelves, and then also a dresser. Immediately above that, 32-inch, maybe 40-inch TV, flat screen TV. Proceeding into the room to the right, you'll find 2 queen beds. 2 queen beds. They look comfortable. We have not slept in them yet. They just got a thing to tell us to come back up. And then proceeding to the wall on the right hand side is a small sofa. It folds out to be able to sleep 2. Air conditioning unit, coffee table, a small table for sitting, dining possibly, and then a bench. So coming back all the way to the other end, the far end of the room, you can see panning from the left hand side all the way around. And this is a family cabin at the Great Wolf Lodge. It sleeps 6 adults. I'm going to tell you, we have not slept here yet, so I don't have anything to leave in this review upon that. But you might see a little bit more after talk about the accommodations or stay in the location. But if you do have questions, please leave them down in the comments below. If this is if any of the stuff that I've left here in this video has been helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up. And we are a family channel all about travel, cruising, and family. So if those are things that you enjoy, consider subscribing to us. We're going to do some stuff here at the Great Wolf Lodge in Scottsdale, Arizona. So look for some of those other videos talking about maybe some of the slides, some of the water park stuff, amenities, and all of that. But I want to say thank you so much for watching. Have a super awesome rest of your day, and we will see you around. Bye.